Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sell on AliExpress. So how do you sell on AliExpress? The first thing for you to do is to go to the AliExpress website, which we have here currently. So if you don't have an account set up already, just go ahead and click on sign in or register. Select register and follow the process in there. So after logging into your AliExpress account, which we have over here, go ahead and look for the seller login tab, which is here. So go ahead and click on your account name and you're going to see a couple of options in here. Now select seller login for you to log into your seller account. I'm going to have to select sign in using a different account. So no account yet, because you have this information that says please log in using the AliExpress seller account. Do not use buyer accounts. These accounts, this email address is associated to my buyer account. So I'm just going to use join now for free and fill in the registration form, which is here. My country is not, of course, added there, so I'm just going to use a different country and use a different mail because they're not allowing me to use the mail that I use to log into my buyer account. So I'm using an entirely different mail. So I'm going to select send and get the verification code. Now fill in the details and click on the register button to register. So wait a couple of seconds for your registration to be created and or for your registration to be approved, and you'll be right into the seller platform. So now our registration has been approved. The next thing to do is to select the store type. So let's say the store type would be direct store. Then I have read and agree. And the next thing to do is to click on next step. So you're gonna have to fill in the business overview. If the company, click on company type. It should be company or corporation, partnership, limited partnership, whichever one. So select that, add your business license, your company name, doing business as, registration date of business, then employment identification number, incorporation and registration address. And after you fill out all of these necessary details, go ahead and click on submit. After clicking on submit and you have all of this information ready, now I do not have any business with all of this information, but I'm going to show you what next to do from here. After filling out all the details, go ahead to your seller dashboard. Then once filling out the details, you get to your seller account. Now your seller account, head over to your seller dashboard and click on store settings to customize the store names, logo, and description. Navigate to the product section in your dashboard and click on add product. Fill in the product details, including the title and description, category and subcategory, price and inventory details, high quality images of the product, and then set shipping options and delivery times. Once you're done, you can use relevant keywords in titles and descriptions for better visibility. You can add tags to help customers find your products more easily. Then go to the payment tab section in your dashboard and choose your preferred payment methods, which could include bank transfer or PayPal. Make sure to complete any necessary verification for your payment method. After adding your product and setting up payment method, ensure everything is correct. Then click on launch store to make your products visible to customers. Once you click on launch store, share your store link on social media forums and other platforms to drive traffic. Consider using AliExpress advertising tools to increase visibility. Regularly check your dashboard for new orders, communicate promptly with customers, and handle inquiries or issues professionally. Then use the analytics tool in your seller dashboard to track sales, views, and customer feedback. Adjust your strategy based on performance data and familiarize yourself with AliExpress's seller policies to ensure compliance and avoid issues with your account. So by following these steps, you can effectively set up and manage your store on AliExpress. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.